learners, and welcome to your lesson on binomial times a trinomial. What does that mean? A binomial is 2 terms and a trinomial is 3 terms. What is a term? A term is a number that is separated by an addition or a subtraction sign. So it's only addition and subtraction that separates terms. Okay? How do we go about doing this? Now, the only way you can do this is to use your distribution property or your distribution law. All that means is you take the first number and you distribute it into the bracket. And then you take the second number and distribute it into the bracket. Okay? Now, with that, you will simplify from there, but the most important part is to understand that you need to distribute. So, what is 2x times 3x squared? 2 times 3 is 6. X to the power 1 times x to the power 2, you add them, so you get x to the power 3, right? Then you're gonna go further. You're gonna say 2x times positive 2x. That will give me plus, right? Because positive times a positive is positive. 2 times 2 is 4. X times x is x squared, because I add exponents. Then 2x times minus 1x. Positive times a negative is negative 2x.
Get the complete set of Stellar Maths videos on the Stellar app. Find the links to download the Stellar app in the description below and unlock your true potential with Stellar.